Are you ready, Elena, for the trip of your life?
I am so ready. Say hi.
Hi. What do you think's gonna happen today?
I'm gonna die.
Cool. Ready for the trip? You're such a goof. Oh, for the child.
iPad thing.
Cool. So, in today's little vlog of sorts, I just decided to try out a vlog. We're going to Sedona for my graduation because today I'm graduating and won't even be there for the ceremony, so there's that.
Are you fetching filming?
Donuts. Yes. Donuts.
Please tell me you're gonna edit the video sound.
Maybe.
Basically at this point.
Revive me, medic. Use your pouch of wonders. Look how beautiful that is. So good. Sedona is beautiful.
Hey! Ollie!
Yo, yo.
Say yay, Zach! Ollie's tired.
But we got a lot of clouds out here today. More than usual. Which is nice. Much needed hike during the pandemic, so YOLO. We have arrived at the creek. Here we are. Who would have thought in the middle of Arizona you have all this beautiful forest and beautiful scene. We're going to cross the river now by taking off our shoes and hopefully not dying. We're trying to get over on that bank right there. Oh boy. Entering the danger zone. You scared? Are you scared?
Terrified.
Very deceivingly slippery. Very deceivingly slippery. Some scary stuff right there. But we made it. We made it. So we had lunch, now we're gonna cross back over the river, and at some point today I am dunking myself completely in the water, fully clothed and all, because we were not prepared for this trip. Oh, after all those freaking rocks alas, sand. Or is this just a canal?
Oh, you what?
Oh, there's actually sort of a small path, but I don't know if it goes anywhere.
Well,
try it.
this goes all the way up, so it should.
Oh, this is heaven sent compared to the rocks and the slippery boulders. Lucky I didn't drop everything. Ow. Ow. Oh, jeez. This was not smart. We were way underprepared for this trip. 100%. It's very nice here, but going barefoot is not the best idea. 10 out of 10 would not recommend going barefoot. It's a random mask. We're in dangerous territory. Maskless territory. So cool. That's a cool little feature. Now we're heading back because we're barefoot. We have no idea where we're going. And the rest of our day was spent hanging out, enjoying the silence of the day. This trip meant a lot to me because of the company I was blessed with. Although I didn't graduate from college in person, I'm grateful I was able to spend my day out here because the small moments are more significant to you than you think. I, for one, am glad that I was able to capture some of these small moments on camera forever, or until the internet dies or something, I don't know. Until then, get out there and enjoy your small moments because in the end, it's all you really have. Thank you guys so much for tuning in this week, and I'm excited to keep making content weekly. That's my goal this month, and I'll catch you in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe.